with some of my clients, they don't care what anything looks like. You know, you slap a logo on there and let the copy and the offer do its thing.
Right.
And then you have some clients who are, I want everything to look fantastic, and they don't give a shit about the offer.
Mm-hmm.
I don't have a lot of clients who care about both, which is very shocking. We do our best to make everything look great, but the tools are limiting to what you can do, right? And that's why I would mention if you want to go custom, you go to OptimizePress. Now, funny thing is about my company, you know, I do ads. I work with social. I call them social funnels as much as they are sales funnels. But the thing is, I don't design funnels. That's not my job. I'm an advertiser.
Yeah.
So I have a buddy of mine that I go to for all my custom type of funnels that need to be built, and then it's like, hey, however pretty you want it to be, now I can make it happen.
Yeah.
But otherwise, it's like I'm changing colors here and there inside lead pages or ClickFunnels in hopes that it's closest to the logo as possible. But you know, there's not much I can do when you're using a tool like that. It's just made to deploy fast. When you start dealing with big clients, I have a couple that are like, I'll give you tens of thousands of dollars a month to run all of my stuff. It's like, okay, well, there's money in here to use to make sure the funnel works. Whereas it's not, let's test first, then fix the funnel. It's let's get the funnel right, and let's spend a little less to make sure it's dialed in, and then once it's dialed in, then we'll ramp up the ads. So it really depends on your budget, but you know, you do with what you can work with, which in lead pages and ClickFunnels, you know, could be very little.